Esteemed Honorable Justice and friends, I know this is already late. From 9 o'clock sitting here listening to so many speakers, it's extremely exhausting. So I have a formal presentation. I am not going to make the presentation. I am from Pollution Control Board, Odisha. I would like to share only few things with you. Municipal solid waste management, there are many specific rules, as my colleague from Telangana Pollution Control Board has already shared. There are many rules. Municipal solid waste management rules was notified in 2000 under Environmental Protection Act. In 2017 we are discussing. If you see the scenario in the whole country, barring few smart cities where the things are, the vibration is better and things are happening. Many of the urban local bodies, things are not happening, even if the notification is there for 17 years. I think we are still discussing about the number of bins and how to collect and these kind of things. That's the situation. That's the situation. The new rules, 2000 rules have already been completely superseded with the new rule, biomedical waste, construction and demolition waste. That's one thing. A lot of urban local bodies earlier was telling that we don't have money, we don't have enough resource to implement the proper waste management system in the urban local body. There's a basic changes that has been introduced in these rules is the urban local bodies can charge, user charge. They can have user fees and they can have spot fines under plastic waste management rules, under urban solid waste management rules, as well as you can have. The second thing that is, which is more important is that the responsibilities have been also given under plastic waste management. The producer has been given the responsibility. Suppose a brand owner which is using the plastic in his product, or a producer of plastic manufacturing, have to help the urban local bodies for management of plastic waste. These are some of the basic things that I wanted to share. The second thing, because of the paucity of time, probably 2 minutes has been given to me.
Take 2 minutes of mine.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot. The other thing that I wanted to share is that I do like to share some of the work that we are doing with the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, which is, all of you know, that is also a smart city. In plastic waste management, we are working with them. We have a conceptual idea, we have got expression of interest that there will be a third-party agency who will be managing the plastic waste for Bhubaneswar city. They will be providing financial incentive to the Safai Karmachari for collections. Door-to-door collection is already there, but segregation is not happening to the extent possible. After collection, there will be segregation and the plastic waste has to go. And we are creating a market for that, for utilization in the co-processing in the cement kilns as well as construction of the roads. This is the plastic waste that we were planning with the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, and Pollution Control Board is working with that. The second one is electronic waste, particularly. I think my friend, my previous speaker was rightly pointing out, electronic waste, we are working with two agencies, NASCOM and MET, which are engaged by Ministry of Electronics and IT. And there is IFC, who is working on this one. We have got two components of it, and Pollution Control Board is actively involved in these two components. One component is creating awareness among various stakeholders, like bulk consumer, producers, informal sectors, everything like that. And the second one is the implementation. Now, have a collection system. The municipal corporation is going to have a system for collection of electronic waste from households, from the office. There will be a phone call, there will be a toll-free number, and the vehicle will go to the doorstep and collect the electronic waste. That's the kind of mechanism that we are going to establish for electronic waste. I do not agree with my previous speaker on one thing. Informal sector is an integral part of our society. Even if 95% of the electronic waste are going to the informal sector, that kavadi wala channel probably you cannot go away. one thing that we can do there, we can formalize them. We can dovetail this informal sector to the formal sector, and let them recognize them, because they are like the rag pickers in plastic waste management. They are also very, very important. The other thing that I wanted to share is, besides the municipal solid waste management, fly ash is one of the major industrial waste that is generated from the thermal power plants. And in Odisha, we are generating about 32 million ton of fly ash per annum. And we have got a fly ash resource center. I am finishing, sir, this one sentence. We have got a fly ash resource center in the Pollution Control Board to facilitate the utilization of fly ash in various sectors. And I'm extremely happy to inform you that we are able to achieve about 64% of fly ash that we are able to use in various sectors like construction materials or low-lying area filling or mine filling and something like that. Thank you very much. I had a formal presentation, but because of the paucity of time, I'm not able to share it. Thank you very much.